All right, 8:10 in the morning, Monday morning, ready to get back to work. So we got a load offer. We're going to Deadhead, about 40 miles over to Morrow, Georgia from Villa Rica. And we're going to be grabbing a load, taking that out to Hearne, Texas. Not as far as I want to go, first run back on the road after, a week of home time, but that's a good way to start. Just, get rolling. So we pick up today, deliver on Wednesday. So we'll get our day started. We pick up at 10:30 is our pickup time. So we'll be there just about 10. Get ourselves all prepped up. And we will get the day started. So first thing I'm going to do is going to grab a we're going to get ourselves back on our keto diet, which we've been sorely lacking. Turn this off. And we're going to have a good day. Shipper. This is the exact place I've been to before. No room to turn around really until these trucks are out of the way. A lot of tire scrubbing going on, but unfortunately nothing you can really do about that. All right, we got 120 rolls of this erosion control netting. We'll take a look at it when we stop for the day. So we're heading up the road here a little bit. All right, here's our load. So we got 120 of these rolls. Basically 14,000 pounds. Nothing much. Simple and quick. So we're taking this to Hearne, Texas. Be there, today's Monday, we'll be there by Wednesday, about 9 a.m. Nice and easy 2 days. Yeah, good morning, people. 5:40 in the morning, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Pilot Skyline Drive. Skyland Drive. Wanted to get up at 3 a.m. to get rolling, but I did not sleep very well, so that kind of got put off to the wayside. I ain't gonna drive in a manner that's unsafe for myself. Hell with everybody else, hell with my company. I'm gonna worry about me. If I protect myself, everybody else benefits. For a little bit of a cup of ice, so we have something cool to drink instead of stopping at that rest stop. Tuscaloosa, Mississippi. Guess no ice here. Oh well. Still do a quick load check. We'll put a little bit of scrub on the window for what bugs we still have. That was probably the reason why I wanted to skip it. I think I saw something yesterday regarding that on Google. Well, good morning. It's Halloween. 7:15 in the morning. We got 1 hour to go till our to our delivery point. So we're going to hit the road here. Ready. So here we are in Buffalo, Texas. Make our way down US 79 as we did yesterday. Here we are at our delivery, getting our stuff offloaded. We're just going to tidy up get our straps off. Hopefully the mud here it's not that wet. You know, just up on the road we had to back up on. But it's a little dirty. Definitely could use a blue beacon. But like with a lot of job sites, it's not exactly as clear and precise as the directions need to be.